Peak Association of Realtors will be holding our annual installation on November 18th at the Cheyenne Mountain Resort. The installation will feature the return of several awards, as well as introduce a couple new ones. Since 1950, PPAR has recognized one outstanding PPAR Realtor for their commitment and dedication to the industry. In order to be considered for the Realtor of the Year award, applicants must have served on a PPAR, CAR, and/or NAR board, committee, or task force. The Affiliate of the Year award recognizes an affiliate member for their outstanding service to PPAR. Candidates must be PPAR members and have served on a PPAR committee or task force, participated in industry training, and completed volunteer work in the community, all during the current year. The purpose of the Front Desk Admin Award is to recognize a front desk admin from a PPAR real estate company who has gone above and beyond for their managing broker, clients, and staff. Brokers, if you have a candidate who has demonstrated a positive attitude and cooperative spirit, it is strongly encouraged that you include a letter of recommendation so the committee may learn more about the front desk admin and their work. The purpose of the Up and Coming Award is to recognize a new Realtor who has shown outstanding performance in the industry. Brokers should submit letters of recommendation for candidates who have been Realtors and PPAR members for 3 years or less and have completed 5 transactions in those first 3 years. Candidates are also required to have served on a PPAR and/or CAR committee or task force in 2021, actively participated in or graduated from the PPAR Leadership Academy, and have completed volunteer work in the community. The Extra Mile Award is given by the PPAR Chair in recognition of members who have provided outstanding service and support to the PPAR Chair and the Association. The award is given to members who make an impact in the work they do for PPAR. Winners must be PPAR members who have gone above and beyond normal expectations, given extra time and effort, and supported PPAR. Finally, the Good Neighbor Award. PPAR's Good Neighbor Award recognizes Realtors who have made an extraordinary impact on their community through volunteer work. One winner will be announced and receive a $500 grant for their charity. The Good Neighbor Award was launched in hopes of inspiring new volunteers to get involved. Among other criteria, applicants must be Realtor members of the Pikes Peak Association of Realtors.